lesson of the school, do your teacher punish you or not? Please louder. Do your teacher punish you or not? Yes. Why? Why do your teacher punish you when you do wrong? Tell me. Because you are his student, and out of love they discipline you. Alright? Yes or no? So, another school is here nearby. If the children smoke and go on the road, do they have any right to discipline them? Speak louder. Do I have any right to discipline anyone out there? No. And they don't have right also to discipline other children, right? Only their students discipline. Why discipline? Out of love. They want to make the perfect person, therefore they discipline you, right? So now,
EEB school tong kampong te mi goi ha teachers quarter kane student nun goi tong hostel bam goi te kampong te mi ha herana office school office te ta school tong office te ka ge na me he kampong he mun he pai na ho goi si kampong mun ga hak ma khat nai na ba me thau ko mai na non ni ro mai na non mi tong school ko hai wang lo no me koi wang na emission ka jaw lo no ma thang ting kum ko ne pai na kan yu khang be ken nai na bam the kaw na ba me emission khang chance pai na nai na ba me taw hai ta ke na ba me tong seminar tai pai na gai me tong evangelistic camp tana kan yu khang bible sam lo mai lat keng ju gai me cham lo na ba mai taw kru hongan da me ground ha kan yu tong playground the ma hai sai connect to pada ba khao new building
cái ka hau ni
building kan taw hai construct ka hau pone the
school building ka hau the thing pai khul lo bang wa
ma hai mi tong bam hai mi tong school hai pai na dai na upgrade su ko khang plan su na nai na bam the long mai rong mi tong kai dai none district ko the ka bam ha na part 2 long mai part 2 ko the ka bam ha school genre na EEB thau ko mai ngong na